Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to the channel, and today we are going to discuss on skills pyramid. So let's dive in. Let's look at the agenda for the day. So we will define and understand what skill is. Then we'll understand skills categories, and we'll understand the skills pyramid. So let us understand what a skill is. So skill is an ability to perform a specific task or activity to a higher level of proficiency. Skills are the expertise or talent needed in order to do a job or a task. A skill is the ability to perform an action with determined results. The ability coming from one's knowledge, practice, and aptitude. So this is the brief definition of skill. So skills can be categorized into three categories. So these are not types, these are three categories of skills. The first category is niche skills. Then we have market skills, and last but not the least, we have commodity skills. So let's understand each category one by one. So let's dive into niche skills. So what are niche skills? So special, unique or rare skills which very few individuals possess. So these are niche skills. So a niche skill is a specialized ability or expertise in a particular area. Now these niche skills are present in each and every field, not only in the field of IT, in the field of, let's say, automobile, in the field of linguistic, in any field. These are the topmost skills, which an individual possesses, and these individuals are very few people possess these skills. Example in the field of IT, let's say artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things. So these are niche skills today. Robotic process automation, blockchain, data science and data mining, augmented reality and virtual reality, DevOps. So these are the niche skills today in the field of information technology. Now demand is very high than the supply. So such people are very high in demand, and supply is very scarce over here. And they are the highest paid individuals in the market. So this is all about niche skills or top level skills. Now let's move on to the market skills. Let's understand what market skills are. So skills which most individuals possess and are currently in demand in the market, called as market skills. So example in the IT pro standpoint, again these market skills are again present in all the fields. Let's say Windows system administrator is an market skill today. Network admins, deployment and monitoring admins, backup and storage admins, Linux admins, virtualization can be Citrix, VMware or Hyper-V admins, cybersecurity, etc. So these are some of the market skills, in the field of information technology as an IT pro. Now demand is somewhat equal to or more than the supply. And salaries or the payment varies as per the demand in the organization. So this is organization specific. It's not an individual specific, but the organization specific. So let us understand commodity skills now. So what are commodity skills? So skills which are outdated or obsolete and are not in much demand are called as commodity skills. So let's take some examples from the field of IT. So mainframe It's gone. IBM mainframe is phased out now. Novel network admins. We don't require any network administrators because we don't have novel network as an operating system. Lotus Notes. So Lotus Notes is phased off. Sun Solaris is gone again. Oracle Financial. And say on-premises exchange is on a verge of getting obsolete because everyone is moving to cloud. Already moved to cloud now. So no, or say very less in demand with say very high supply. There's no demand for say these skills anymore in the market now. So not paid much as there is no demand or say very less demand in the market. So if you fall in this category, there is very less chance of you getting a job. So let us understand skills pyramid, how it works and how the entire skills say market works. So at the top we have niche skills, then we have market skills, and then we have commodity skills. So let us understand how this skills matrix or skills market works. So yesterday's niche skills are today's market skills, or yesterday's niche skills will be today's market skills, and new niche skills will be coming up in the market, and today's market skills will be tomorrow's commodity skills. They will be outdated, they will be phased off. So today's market skills will be phased off tomorrow. So what should we do to sustain in this skills business or skills market? So we should make sure that we are at least in the top 50% of the market skills. Now if you come down to bottom 50% of the market skills, you will still be having a job, but there are chances of you moving to commodity very soon. You will be outdated, you will be phased off, okay, and you will be into commodity market now. So you have to make sure that you are at least in the top 50% of the market skills. So you have to float over there in that bracket. So if you look at this picture, the devices and technology in this picture are completely outdated. DVD or typewriter, we don't use it anymore now. So let us look at say some of the market skills which might be commodity skills in near future. So currently they are as a market skills, but they might be commodity in near future. Again, this list is, I'm making this list as an IT pro standpoint. Okay, there might be such list might be present in the other fields as well. So Microsoft Exchange admins now the job as an Exchange admin will disappear in couple of years, as most of the organizations have moved their email services on cloud, like say Office 365 or say Gmail. They have already moved on, so we don't require any say mail services on premises. Network engineers now. So in earlier days, say 10-15 years ago, this role was very critical. But now companies have started automating network management and the increase in cloud computing. The role is say will be fading away very soon. So next 5 years there will be very less demand for network engineers because everything is moving to cloud. Okay. So on-premises data center managers. So as legacy on-premises data centers are becoming obsolete now, so everyone is moving to cloud. They don't want their data centers anymore. Companies are moving to cloud. The IT employees managing those data centers will also become obsolete now. So this is how it works now. Okay, so people are shutting down their data centers slowly and steadily, and a time will come all the companies will be moving most of their, say, resources on the cloud. Very few resources will be on premises in the data center. So application support technicians. Now applications are becoming, say, more intelligent. Say virtual agents, intelligent automation bot, and say are coming up. Say self-healing application, artificial intelligence are coming up in the application itself. So there won't be any requirement of an artificial, say, application support technician in near future. Remote IT, say, maintenance specialist again. So again, this role will be phasing off in coming future. So what should we do now? Okay, what should we do to stay in this particular top 50% of our skills bracket? So these are some of the pointers, say, I can give over here. The first pointer is begin with an end in mind. Set a goal for your career. Get a mentor from your field, man. It's very important to have a mentor from your field. And again, learning is the key, man. Okay. And last but not the least, practice, practice, and practice. So these are some of the pointers. There can be more pointers as well, but these are some of the pointers to sustain in the skills market. So let us discuss these 4 pointers one by one. Begin with an end in mind. So a career goal is a clear statement that defines the ultimate job you aspire to throughout the course of your career. So you have to be very clear about your aspirations. Okay, you have to set a goal, okay, for your career and march towards that goal. Get a mentor from your field. Again, a mentor is a person who can support, advise, and guide you. A typical, say, mentor takes time to get to know you and the challenges you're facing, and then uses their understanding and personal experiences to help you to improve. Again, a right mentor can change your career altogether. Okay, if you get the right mentor, it can change your career altogether. And learning is the key now. So let's see how it is. So learn, then experiment on what you have learned. Experience, okay, from your experiments. And last but not the least, share your experiences with others, man. Extremely important. You have to share your knowledge with others. Otherwise, your knowledge will not grow. So learn, then experiment, experience, and then share your experiences with others. And this should be a continual process. You should not stop learning. You should not stop experimenting, experiencing, and sharing your experiences with others. This should be a continual process. And last but not the least, practice, practice, and practice. I call it as a triple P rule. You have to, say, give at least 15 to 20 minutes every day for this practice, man. I'm talking about minimum 15 to 20 minutes every day. So let us look at market skills which will not be obsolete in next 10 years now. So cloud computing. Okay, so I don't think cloud computing will be obsolete in next 10 years. So knowledge of any cloud technology, can be Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. It will not be phased off in next 10 years. DevOps again. So DevOps is coming up, so it will not be phased off in next 10 years. So I think you should take any one of these technologies as your career goal now. Cybersecurity. Again, this will not be phased off in the next 10 years. I don't think cybersecurity will be, say, phasing off. Automation. Again, this is huge, man. Okay, people who say automate work will be in high demand because they can have a huge impact at the company. As technology continues to enter every part of our life, we require more and more automation engineers to automate repetitive tasks. Okay, so we require automation engineers, and I think automation, we can say it's the future now. And say identity and access management specialist. So identity is one of the pillars of cybersecurity now, and we will require more identity and access management specialists in coming future. And last but not the least, IT project managers, man. So a person who knows IT and project management, of this combination is very rare. So this will be in high demand. So there will be projects in the world of IT, and we will require project managers. So next thing is, why should we upgrade our skills on a regular basis? So we have to upgrade our skills on regular basis. So why should we do it? The first point is, say, job security. So if your skill is at the highest level, or you are a skilled person, your job will be secured, man. So you remain valuable and relevant. You can command a high salary, man. If you have special skills, you can command a high salary. Improve marketability and competitiveness. You can prepare for a change. Expose yourself to new career options. Stand out from the crowd. Recognition and good appraisals again. So these are some of the pointers why we should upgrade our skills on a regular basis. You can either upgrade or you can even cross scale, say, yourself. So thank you for joining today's session. I hope you have enjoyed today's session and you have understood the skills pyramid. If you think this channel is helping you to learn anything new, please subscribe and share this channel with your friends and your community. And have a great day.